Okay, this is Yujun Wang, and this is my YouTube video for Chapter 4, Exercise 5 for Computer Science 110, Section 1, Spring 2019. And this question asks us to draw these two spirals by using turtle module. Firstly, we need to let the Python allow us to use the turtle modules. So firstly, I will import turtle, and then we can make a playground for the turtle, which is turtle.screen. And then, as it is given, the background color is light green, so we need to change our background color from white to light green. So color light green. And then we can there should be background color. Sorry. And then we can make a turtle, and I will call it test. So that's turtle. And then we need to change the paint color of the turtle. So we will change it from black to blue. So that's the color. Change to blue. And then it would be a very slow process if we didn't change the speed of turtle. So we can reset its speed to 0. And then we can make our first spiral. So I will define this spiral to spiral 1. So spiral 1, and with t side length and n times. So this function we're using turtle t to draw a spiral for n times. Each side will rotate 90 degrees. And each time the side will increasing its length by 3 units. So and we can finish that increasing its length by 3 units. And first we need to change the direction of test. So if we did not change the direction of test, the test will firstly go to the right, but we want it to go down first, so we need let it turn right first. So turn right for 90 degrees. And then we can use a for loop to draw the spirals, which is range and n-1 times. And then as I have said, each time the length of the side will increasing by 3 units. So we first need to so test will go forward 3 per side each time. So if the first side is 1 unit, and the second will be 4, and the third will be 7, like that. So, and after each time it will rotate for 90 degrees. So right, 90 degrees. And then we need let this side plus by 3 each time. And then that's our first function, and we can insert our value for the t on side and end. So spiral number 1, use test. The first side I would just insert for the value of 1, and it will do 60 times. And we can save this program first. I will call it spirals, and then we can run the program. And that's our first spiral. So the second spiral is just very similar to the first one, except the turn angles. So we will copy this because they're almost the same, and instead I will call it spiral number 2, and this would be the same for n times. And so the second spiral is has the different turn angles compared to the first one. So as you can see from the picture, the angle each time it rotates will be a little bit bigger than 90 degrees. So I will let it rotate for 92 degrees each time, and the other will be the same. So it will first turn right for 90 degrees, and we can use our for loop to do the spirals. And here should not be 90, it should be 88. Why would be 88? Because the test will turn right for a degree. So if we want let the if we want let the turtle to turn by 92 degree, if we want make this angle for 92 degrees, and so the test each time will rotate right by 88 degrees, because 180 minus 92 degrees is 88 degrees. So that's how we get the value of 88. And then they're pretty the same. So this here should be spiral 2 also, and we can comment the first one out, and we can save this, and we can run the program number 2.